welcome back to my YouTube channel, that is Glow Getter, and I hope you all are great. As I told you, I'll tell you about the another cybercrimes in my next video. So today's video is only based on cybercrimes. So let's learn about them one by one. So first one is I want to tell you about the hijacking. Hijacking is the word that comes from webjacking, in which hackers try to control your website. They act like the real owner of your website, and they can change the content of your website, so you are no longer the owner of your website. So please don't share login password with anyone else, and even for your apps like Instagrams, Facebooks and all these things, don't share passwords, okay, to protect your data and to protect your real content. Okay, about the social engineering. Social engineering is the act in which the person want to gain the information about you. It can be a personal information, professional information, in which hackers try to send you the fake emails, and fake emails as example of spam emails I told you about in my previous video. If you haven't checked that video, I'll share the link in my description box. You can check that. The numbers, help desk numbers, in which they have mentioned like you have to reset your password for this website, or like something like that. So you don't have to reset your password, because if you reset that, they can have access of your data. Tell you about the threats. Threat can be anything that interrupt your operation or operating your activity on internet. Okay, so these can be intentional and unintentional based on the malicious content you are receiving. Okay, so number one threat is adware. You know, adwares are the software which are designed by the hackers. Is this any site you want to visit, any site, and then another website just came up on your screen, and another advertisement came up on your screen, that are known as advertisement. Basically the tricks of a hackers to make you fool. You click on that website or advertisement, so they can access your data, like your professional or personal data. Even they can access your camera. Whatever you're doing in front of your camera, they can see you, okay, online. So please always be careful while using any web browser, and don't click on any website or advertisements. Okay, tell you about some of advertisement which mostly pop up on your screen while using the web browsers. So please check these examples. So this kind of adverts can show up on your screen while using the web browsers. Okay, so you have to be very careful. Like, you don't have to click on any other option, you don't have to click on advertisements. And this is the second advertisements, like while you want to open any another site, but suddenly another pop-up came on your screen, checking your browser, and then it comes like a convert doc to PDF. So these are basically the adwares to make you fool. Okay, so don't click on the continue option. Third one I want to show you, like you want to visit another site, but suddenly it shows up like YouTube converter. Your system is infected with 3 viruses, and it shows the immediate actions. So these are basically the adwares. You can see these. Immediate action requires. So they will make you like these things are real, but these are not reals. This is a trick of hackers. So you don't have to click on scan now button. Okay, hope you got it till here. Guys, this is another example of adware, like become an Insta famous street artist, the quick and easy way, click here, show skin to win. So it looks like legitimate, है ना? But you don't have to click here, okay, because this is the adware. This can lead you to lose your data, okay, or your personal information. And another is like this kind of adware show up on your screen while using the web browser. I can zoom it for you. You can see like it's showing click to receive a reward. You can see it. Congratulations, you are a winner. You know, this is how they make you fool, and some of you get fooled. Okay, and I want to show you example. And after you click on that websites, and when you get in trouble, you will act like this, damn it, and you will run up like this from advertisements. So you can see on the screen, the person is running from advertisements. Read the information about cybercrime still here, and I hope you will prevent yourself from any kind of fraud or criminal activity, and you will prevent your data after watching my video, okay? And I'll try to make you aware about all these things in my further videos also. So if you find this video helpful or informative, please share it and comment on it. Subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Bye bye, take care.